In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Snapchat public profile not showing. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Snapchat on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Snapchat has been opened. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. You can see over here public profile option is available for me. But if this option is not available for you, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be because the feature is not available in all the countries or regions. So you must belong in the region where this feature is not available. In that case, you can use the VPN in order to access this feature. Likewise, the reason for this feature not being available to you might be also that you violated the community guidelines. Violating the community guidelines in the past can prevent you from getting a public profile, so make sure you haven't violated any community guidelines. But if these are not the reasons, the reason might be your age. You must be at least 16 years old in order to create a public profile. So in order to fix that, what you have to do is tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Under the section for my account, at third, you'll be able to find the option for birthday. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to the birthday interface. You'll be able to see the birthday that you've selected over here. Simply tap on it. Now what you have to do is choose your birthday in such a way you're 16 years or older. So make sure to choose the year very carefully. After you do that, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see the age over here. So make sure the age is more than 16 years. After you do that, tap on the OK option that you can see on the screen. Now after the age has been updated, the option for public profile must be available for you. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix Snapchat public profile not showing. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.